my name is Laura Scamilla, and welcome to a brand new series called Dishing the Devs. In this series, we'll be serving up the latest and greatest from the Bywater Solutions development world, everything from the freshest features and the behind-the-scene builds to community-sponsored projects and devs looking for support on our crowdsourcing page. Think of it as your monthly bite-sized update on what's cooking in dev, from the creative to the technical to the funded to the future. This month, I wanted to remind everybody about the upcoming 2505 release, which will become available for all our Bywater support partners the week of September 22nd, 2025. And this release will be rolling out 5 new features, 186 enhancements, and there's going to be 481 bug fixes, which is incredible. This is a huge release that's going to have so many amazing things that we can offer our community and our partners. And all of this progress is made possible thanks to the amazing co-op community we work with and the continued support of developments by our library partners and organizations. And here's a few that we just want to highlight and say a special shout out for all the sponsorship, development, and support that they provide. Thank you so much for helping us out with their 2505 Koha release. Now, let's take a closer look at one of the features included in this release, one that's been highly requested. It's bug 20747. Again, that's bug 20747. And it's all about giving you more control over how your holds are prioritized. This enhancement was sponsored by Cape Library's Automated Material Sharing, known as CLAMS, and the Northeast Kansas Library System, known as NECLS. Previously, the local holds priority setting only allowed for prioritizing holds at the individual library level. With this update, you now have 3 new options. You have the option to give library and group, which first checks the patron's library, then their group. The give group, which prioritizes within the whole group regardless of the specific library. And of course, we'll have the option for don't give, which keeps the feature turned off. This gives library systems and consortia a lot more flexibility, especially if you're using hierarchical group structures. And just a quick reminder, if you change this setting, you'll need to rebuild your holds queue to reflect the updates, which it should automatically rebuild, but if you have any troubles, just reach out to us and let us know. And again, I want to give a big thanks to Clams and Neckles for sponsoring this much needed improvement. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And that's it for this month's Dishin the Devs. We hope you're as excited about the 2505 release as we are, and thanks for watching.